guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Carly Ann on YouTube, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup haul video. I'm going to show you guys what I got the other day when I went makeup shopping. I've used some of them already because I was supposed to film this like a few days ago, but I never got to it. So I'm going to show you guys what I got, so let's get started. Okay, so first off, I went to Ulta, and what I got at Ulta was, I feel like there's something else. Is there something else? I don't know. Ulta first I picked up is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Gel. It's a mini size. It was like only like $7 or $9. And it is in the shade medium brown. So this is the first thing I picked up. The next thing I got was this pair of Eylure lashes. I forgot how much these were, but they look like this. And then the next thing I got was another pair of lashes, which was these Ardell Faux Mink Wispies. But they're actually on my eyes right now. But yeah, these are how they look. I forgot how much they were. And then I picked up 3 new brushes. I got I've used all of these already. I got the Morphe M213. I already have one of these, but I really needed another one. It's just this tiny little like shader brush. The next thing I got, oh my god, this freaking changes the game, I swear. This brush literally changed everything for me. It's the Morphe M506. It's like a little bullet crease brush, and oh my god, it's literally so good for like packing your shadow and everything. And then the next Morphe brush I got was the Morphe M510, and it's a big fluffy brush that you use for like highlighter and everything. So yeah, that's how that looks. So yeah, that's what I picked up at Ulta. And next, I headed over to TJ Maxx. They had a lot of stuff there. I feel like I got other stuff, but I just don't remember because it was a few days ago. I picked up another pair of lashes at TJ Maxx. These are the Kiss Lash Couture Faux Mink collection in the style Gala. They look like this. And they were only $3.99. They had a bunch of lashes there. And then the next thing I got was this ABH blush trio that I've already used. I'm actually wearing it right now. It's in Pink Passion. It looks like this. I just like to mix all of them together, but that's how it looks. They're all super pretty pink shades. The next thing I got was another blush. I'm really starting to get into blush lately, but I've really been wanting to try these out. These are the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in the shade Peach Delight. It's like a very pretty shimmery pink blush. It looks like this. It's a swatch. It's very pretty. Looks like that. Can you see it? It's right here. But yeah. That's how the blush looks. It's super pretty. And then the next thing I got, which I've really been wanting, a contour kit. I wanted the powder, but then I was like, actually, I'll just get the cream one. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit in the shade Light. And I got this for $15. And I think they're originally like $45. I also used this to contour, and it looks like this. I haven't used the highlighting shades yet, as you can probably see, but I like to mix these 3 together for my contour because it creates a nice shade if you just mix them all. But I really need to start using these top shades soon. But sorry if it looks like I'm looking off because I'm looking in the part of my camera where I see myself, and I have a mirror behind the camera, so it's like I'm looking at that reflection. But yeah, I got the cream contour kit by Anastasia. I think that's it, honestly. I know this is a very short video, but I put a poll on my Instagram account asking people if they wanted to see it, and you guys said yes, so obviously here you go, I'm doing it now. But yeah, as you can see, I do have like glam on right now. It's because I just did a look for my beauty account. I don't know if it's going to be up already or it's going up on the same day as I posted this video. I don't know. I have to figure that out. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe by pressing the red button below. It really helped me out. We're about to reach 100 subscribers and I'm so excited for that. And leave a comment below if you own any of these products I picked up. And go follow my Instagram account, is linked in the description below. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!